Built-in Android car radio, GPS, Wi-Fi RDS CarPlay, Autoradio multimedia player, for Volkswagen, Golf 5.6, Passat B6 B7, Skoda Polo Jetta Feature 1. Radio, FM 2. Supports reading USB flash drives, audio video picture 3. Bluetooth FUNCTION 4. RCA audio output can be connected to SUBWOOFER5. Rearview camera input function, no camera included 6. Video input FUNCTION 7. Original car steering wheel learning FUNCTION 8. Android dashcam input FUNCTION 9. Wi-Fi CONNECTIVITY 10. GPS NAVIGATION 11. Apps can be INSTALLED 12. Switchable themes, 25 UI 13. Support split screen mode, you can run 2 apps side by side on the SCREN 14. Supports CarPlay and Android Auto function.